Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have some new cleaning motivation for you guys. As you guys may realize by now, I usually get up around 5 a.m. to do my housework. Often I don't get home before 7 p.m. and at that time I'm just too tired to tackle anything at all. So I just woke up and I am taking care of the bedroom first. I'm also quickly putting away some laundry every morning. Next up is the toilet area. In Europe, this usually is a separate room from the bathroom, which to me is actually a pretty good idea because if you get company, you don't have to clean the entire bathroom, just take care of the little toilet area and you're set to entertain. Then it's time to straighten up the living room. I put the throw blanket away, rearrange the pillows, and I do some quick dusting. I really can't wait for spring and summer to arrive. I am so tired of waking up in the dark every day. I also try to clear the dining room table every day and give it a speed clean. After that, I'm off to the kitchen. All the cleaning I had time for today. Now I have to get ready for work and head out the door. But I'll come home to a clean house, and that's worth it. So I really want to thank you guys for hanging out with me again. I also want to thank you guys for subbing to my channel. It's a lot of fun to do this together, and it makes cleaning so much more fun to do. Thank you all very much, and I'll see you on Thursday with my next video.